Hi everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. So next topic is wide main char str of number of rows is 3, number of columns is 5. Then puts of str of 0, puts of str of 1. Next str cpy string copy of str of 0 comma hello. Next puts of str of 0, next puts of str of 1. Next string copy of str of 1 is equal to SMR. So puts of str of 0, puts of str of 1. Okay, so what is the output of this program? Here this number of rows and number of columns, the memory is allocated for first one is str of 0, next one is first element is str of 0 is the base address of this array. Next one is str of 1 is the base address of this array. This base address is 500. Next base address is 505. So this is the first element, second element, third element, fourth and fifth element. So 0 0 0 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 1 0 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4. So initial values is garbage values. This addresses is 501, 502, 503, 504. This addresses are 506, 507, 508, 509. The initial values is garbage values. So garbage value, 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 garbage value. So what is puts of str of 0? str of 0 gives the base address of this array. So it prints base address 500 to up to the null character. Maybe sometimes garbage value may be a null character, we don't know. So it prints the garbage value. So what is str of 1? str1 gives the base address of this array. This is one array, this one is another array. So str1 gives the base address of this array. 505 garbage value up to the null character. So it prints garbage value. Garbage value. So execute this code, alt F, new F2. So 1 dot C, yes, F5. So wide main char str of number of rows, number of columns 5. So clear the screen, clr str, puts of str of 0, this is the garbage value, puts of str of 1, this is also garbage value. So alt F9, yes, control F9, alt F5. So garbage value, garbage value. Next, say string copy of str of 0 is equal to hello. Now these garbage values are replaced with hello. These values are replaced with H, E, L, L, O. So every string should be end with null character. Here this should be replaced with null character. Now this garbage value is replaced with null character. So what is str of 0? So str of 0 prints the base address. Base address is 500 up to null character. So HELLO, next null character. It prints up to this character. So this prints hello. Next, puts of str of 1. str1 gives the base address. str1 base address is 505. So it prints 505 base address to up to null character. This is the null character. That means no output. Blank screen, no output. That means only null character, no character is there. That's why it's showing the blank screen and the cursor is blinking on the next line. Check once. strcpy string copy of str of 0 comma hello. So puts of str1, puts of str of 0, puts of str of 1. So alt F9 is control F9, alt F5. So hello, next blank line, next cursor is blinking on next line. Next once again string copy of str of 1 comma smr. Now this is the source, this is the target. So smr is copied into str of 1. What is str of 1? str of 1 is base address of this array 505. So this should be replaced with yes. This should be replaced with SMR and then null character. This should be replaced with SMR then null character. Now, so puts of str of 0. So str of 0 is the base address of array 500. It prints 500 address to up to the null character. Hello SMR, next null character. So it prints hello SMR. Next puts of str of 1. What is str of 1? Is the base address of this array. Base address is 505. So 505 base address to null character SMR. So strcpy string copy of str of 1 comma SMR. Puts of str of 0, puts of str of 1. Alt F9 is control F9, alt F5. So hello SMR. So still you have any doubts?